Hey guys, what's up? It's Brent Bauer. So I want to show you some things that you can do with some of your land money to really save money on taxes, but also to bring in income for the rest of your life. So this is an 8-unit mobile home park that I just purchased. We're stabilizing it right now. All of the units are rented, but there's a thing. We need to increase the rents by about $150 a month on each property. We've already sent a letter saying that we're going to increase them by $75 a month. It was kickback from one of the tenants, but this is a pretty clean park. Very well taken care of, very well mowed, maintained. This is really what you want. One of the things I will point out is you don't want to have your units as close as they are, because if a fire were to start, then it would take out all of the park, all of the actual units. I want to show you what you don't want. You know, this is the gentleman that actually takes care of the lawn here. There's some things that need to be cleaned up, just a couple little things. We'll give him a notice. Septic systems are pretty rough on these mobile home parks. So I've actually had to pump this one about 3 times in the last 45 days. I want to kind of get these on a monthly subscription until we get them turned into sewer, because we've actually got about a 2-year plan until they turn this whole entire park into sewer. I like the fact that they're keeping it well mowed and maintained and cleaned. They got a shed over here. This is kind of a canal that should be maintained and cleaned. The county owns most of them, but unfortunately we own this one behind us, so it would be our job to do it. These are very well taken care of as far as the outside, but there's a lot of maintenance that needs to be done on the insides of these things. So the plan is to go ahead and start selling all these units to the tenants, and as someone moves out, if they don't want to buy it when they move out, we'll sell it to the next person. We'll get a down payment and then a monthly payment. That way they are responsible for taking care of the units themselves. It's not the landlord's responsibility, and eventually we'll just be collecting rent for the lot. I want to show you something else here. Is this screen should definitely be repaired so people can actually sit here. But I want to show you something else. This is a laundry facility. Looks like there's another shower. This could maybe be turned into a unit as well, but this is a laundry facility. So we get about $100 every 2 months from these two, washer and dryer. It really doesn't really pay much. It just really kind of covers the unit. It looks like there's a water heater sitting here. I'm not really sure what that's for, but this is really the most I've actually walked around this place. So it's good to kind of see what's going on with it. It wouldn't take much to replace these screens, keep people from getting ate up by mosquitoes while they're waiting on their laundry. And this probably should be updated as well. One way to know is if it's actually showing green, but you want to check the dates on these two when it was actually certified, which looks like it's been a long time. So it's just safe. It's just a cheap thing to replace these. Also, maybe get the lights going. Little maintenance things that just haven't been done for a long time.